Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I am going to share that part what I concluded in the last episode, that I was going to give some flower to Tywin and Cornwell. So let's go and check out what is happening over there. So I'm going to Plaza. Let's go to Tywin. Look, I have collected 29 points out of 35. So if I get 6 points today by gifting a flower, I will earn a rare key. Let's try to get that. So I'm giving a lotus, and for that I'll get 7 points. Wow, perfect. Now claim rare key. And before I go back, next reward is 3200 coins. Okay, and for that I have to collect 175 points. That's a huge thing, but still I will try. And one thing I'm going to share here in Cornwell, if you am not sure about your level, so if I gift or if I can fulfill those things, I will get 60. If I can collect 65 points after fulfilling those things or gifting some flower to Cornwell, I will get one rare key from here as well. But this time I was trying with only Tywin, so I got my rare key. Now let's open the chest and check out what's the prize I own from this rare key. This is the rare chest. Look, open. And before opening, I am checking the rewards what I could get. I could get 1600 coins, 40 gems, 3.2k coins, 8k coins, 20 gem, 100 gem, and few other prizes as well. Let's check out. Open. Hold your breath. Oh, I got 40 gem, not bad at all, because 40 gems will give me some good impetus in our next journey. So it's a very good deal, I guess. And let's check out to Coral if I can. Yes, next time when I will collect another 75 points, means total 150 points, I will get another 40 gems. So that's a good deal as well. So I will try to get that too. So let's change this. Skip this order. Ah, well, if I provide this today, then I will get 1328 coins. Or if I give her on Monday, then I will get 2600 coins. Here I will get 4200 coins. Here I will get almost 2000 coins. Here I will, no, I am not going to provide this one because I have to give 15 eggs. Eggs are precious, and these things I will do on that day. So today I'm not going to provide anything to that NYC NPCs. So here is my episode. I'm concluding this episode. Hope you got the idea that how you can earn the rare key, and even if your level is higher, then you may get some luxury key as well. So just keep that in mind, and if you have enough flower to gift them, just try to give them and earn the rewards. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.